Here we go. And here we go, Brandon is in. Brandon Richter. Go out there. Go on.
In southwestern Iowa, western Montgomery County in southwestern Iowa, Mills County in southwestern Iowa, southeastern Potawatomi County in southwestern Iowa, Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 579 remains in effect until 8 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska, Sarpy, and Saunders. The National Weather Service in Omaha has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Burke County, northwestern Washington County, central Dodge County, northwestern Expected hazards include 70 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar indicated threat. Impact. Expect considerable tree damage.
Oh, here we go.
Is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings.
I missed the tones and missed the Paul's voice.
Silver City and Beaver Lake around 6:25 a.m. Western Iowa.
Oh, there it is. There we go.
And Randolph around 6:35 a.m. Riverton, Macedonia, Henderson, and Hastings around 6:40 a.m. Other locations on the path of a severe thunderstorm. Other locations in the path of a severe thunderstorm include Herman. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 a.m. for the following counties.
Until 7 o'clock in the morning.
Iowa, Fremont, Mills, Montgomery, Page, and Potawatomi, and the following counties in Nebraska, Cass, Oto, and Sarpy.
Cass, Oto, and Sarpy.
Special rain is still going to be possible. So again, flash flood in small creeks and streams can fill up pretty fast. So again, of course, don't drive to the beach. Naturally, there might even be a road there if this was washed away. So again, you know,
This includes Interstate 29 between mile markers 7 and 39.
At this time, and that storm could still produce some Saturday and
Severe storm warning has been issued until 7 a.m. for the following
Cass, Oto, and Sarpy.
Potential thunderstorms possible. We have that severe thunderstorm watch officially again until 8 o'clock this morning. Actually, I just
Oh, yep, it's the severe thunderstorm watch. It's been canceled.
In the severe thunderstorm
From my
watch,
county.
York County.
It's been canceled now.
Saline County also clear from the severe thunderstorm watch, but still for portions of Saunders County and the Omaha metro area, we still have this severe thunderstorm watch until 8 o'clock this morning. So the good news is there.
All right.
No longer under the watch here in Lincoln.
All right, and that's it for all the compilations.
This morning, but at least at this point, not expected to be severe. And again, now there's no longer any warnings from Lancaster County. So Lincoln, Lancaster County, no longer under the severe thunderstorm watch. And we're not in the
Persia, Pisgah, Oakland, Woodline, Carson, Shelby, and Hancock. This is a dangerous situation. Storms are predicting widespread wind damage across the Omaha metro to Washington.
Oh my God. Severe thunderstorm warning.
Shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.
And then maybe get people back to the regular scheduled programming.
Regular
At this
schedule
point now, it
programming.
looks like, again, a large portion of the watch was just canceled, and Lincoln, Lancaster County, and Looks like some of the other surrounding areas of Lincoln no longer under warning at this time. So let's go through what is that.
All right, yeah, so we have the severe thunderstorm warning where there's not even a storm. Again, for far eastern Cass County, northeastern areas of Odo County, that was officially until 7 o'clock this morning for potential 70-mile-per-hour wind gusts. And again, the storm is not even in that particular area, but we're still looking at potential for outflow of 60-mile-per-hour winds. Also till 7 o'clock, we have the severe thunderstorm in for central Burt County, northwestern Washington County, northeastern Dodge County for, again, 7-mile-per-hour wind gusts a possibility. So, yeah, the storm continues to move to the northeast. It's still moving pretty fast. You know, these storms are still moving between 50 and 55 miles per hour off to the northeast. But now they're kind of stretching out, so they're producing more rain, and that's why we do have that flash flood warning. Again, that is for portions of Burt County as well, and again, that's because they've had, again, 2 to 3 inches of rainfall in that area, and so a little more rain is still a possibility. But again, those are the warnings. Most of them are now all to the east, northeast of the Lincoln area. We're no longer under that severe thunderstorm watch for Lincoln or Lancaster County. However, there still may be a few showers, maybe still rumbles of thunder, but at this point, not anticipating any more significant severe weather, at least this morning. We're still going to be watching the potential for severe weather later today, later this afternoon, or perhaps tonight, as there is a marginal risk for severe weather.
Yes,
again,
it's
for
a marginal
portions
risk.
of the state. So
I told you on the live stream.
we will be keeping an eye on
Live coverage.
Meteorologist Carmelo Latuca will be in, of course,
Carmelo
later today,
Latuca.
so we'll keep you through and inform you what's going on as far as storms tonight.
Yeah, okay, so that's the latest we have as far as our warnings and watches go at this point. Again, there is that potential for maybe some additional isolated severe thunderstorms later today, maybe into tonight as another disturbance rolls through, cold front in the area. Chuck, can see are we getting any other information from Ryan at this time, or is there any other information that we need to pass along? I'm going to give that a moment, and if there's nothing, I think we are going to send you back to regular programming, but of course, as always, keep an eye on it.
He may be getting
Okay,
something.
there are some, sorry I was getting some information there, there are some first responders on the north side of Branched Oak Lake, so there is
Oak Lake.
obviously something going on over there. Again, Ryan Swanigan is there getting the latest reports, and of course we'll have the news team on the latest as far as what's going on with any kind of damage and power outages, so be sure to check out again our 1011 webpage, as well as our social media for the latest on any kind of information. Of course, as far as the weather information goes, we'll have the latest for you at the top of the screen as we go through this morning with any watches and warnings as necessary. If we need to, we'll break back in programming later today. But I think for now, Brad, do you have anything else to...
Just what we've been saying all morning, you know, the storms are overlooked for the most part, but now, of course, the cleanup, just be careful with the large branches. There could still be power lines down.
Power
so
lines
again,
down.
Just use caution as you go through potential damage this morning.
Yes, and again, be careful out there today, especially if it's the last day, and see what we have as far as damage. And of course, we'll continue to keep you updated throughout the day on our 1011 webpage, our social media, and of course we'll have the latest for you on the newscast tonight. But for now, let's get you back to your regular scheduled program.
All right.
NetCredit is here to say yes,
Okay.
even when other lenders won't. Apply online and get funds.
That was a live coverage. Big coverage. Where's Duchess? So I guess thank you for watching for the EAS compilation videos, and we'll see you next time.
Weather conditions.
He's gone home. I just went to sleep and didn't get to keep track.
Weather radio, broadcast radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 579 remains in effect until 8 a.m. to the following day.
So I guess, thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time. Take care. You bet.
Your room on the lowest floor of a building.
But here we go.
The following highways.
Another one.
29 between mile markers 32 and 63. Interstate 80 in Iowa between mile markers 1 and 20. Interstate 80 in Nebraska between mile markers 450 and 454. For your the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 a.m. for the following counties in Nebraska: Cass, Douglas, and Sarpy, and the following counties: Iowa, Mills, Montgomery, and Potawatomi.
Secure your savings with Global Gold's Value Lock. Call 877-646-5347 or visit noblegoldinvestments.com.